Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're creating a peaceful winter wooden house landscape, a cozy snowy scene that focuses on blending, reflections, and simple structure using acrylic paints. Before we begin, please pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you'll need is listed in the description below. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by squeezing out a few drops of ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, and sap green directly onto the canvas in the sequence shown. Using a wet flat brush, blend the colors horizontally across the canvas. Continue blending until you achieve a smooth transition between the colors. Keeping your strokes horizontal will help create a calm winter atmosphere. Next, using a medium flat brush and lamp black paint, begin defining the land area. Paint tall, uneven tree trunks, allowing them to vary in height and spacing. Add a few simple branches, keeping the shapes loose and natural. Leave an open space in the center of the canvas where the house will be placed. Now create reflections of the trees in the lower portion of the canvas. Use irregular, broken shapes rather than complete forms to keep the reflections soft and natural. Lightly sketch a wooden house in the center of the canvas. Keep the structure simple and balanced. And fill it in with black paint, as shown in the video. Using a flat brush, paint the reflection of the wooden house in the lower portion of the canvas. Using a small round brush, paint square and rectangular shapes for the windows and door using yellow ochre. These warm tones will contrast beautifully with the cool winter background. To enhance the glow, repaint the windows and door using orange paint, mixing in a touch of yellow to create a warm, inviting light. Add snow to the roof rafters, and ceiling joists by mixing cobalt blue with white. Apply this gently to suggest snow buildup without overpowering the structure. Repaint the wooden house using burnt umber, then outline each section with black paint to define the structure and add contrast. Outline the ceiling joists and side walls to sharpen the details. Repaint the wooden house using burnt umber. With a liner brush, paint the window frames, mullions, and transoms using black paint. Using a flat brush, paint the reflection of the wooden house in the lower portion of the canvas. Keep the strokes horizontal and slightly softened to suggest water. Add snow details using thick white paint, allowing it to sit visibly on surfaces. Re-outline the windows and door as needed, and refine the mullion and transom details with black paint. Add a small touch of burnt umber to the door for warmth, and lightly suggest fallen snow on the land area. Paint the shadows of the wooden house in the water using diluted orange and yellow paint. Continue working only in horizontal strokes. Add subtle snow reflections using cobalt blue mixed with white and define details with black where needed. Add small snow accents inside the windows and extend a few delicate tree branches using a liner brush. As a final step, refresh the tree reflections in the water, adjusting contrast and softness as needed. Step back, make any final refinements, and allow your painting to dry completely. If you enjoyed painting with us today, please like this video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more relaxing, beginner-friendly tutorials. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. If you'd like to become a channel member, you can tap the Join button below this video to unlock fun perks like member badges, custom emojis, and member shoutouts. And if you're ready to continue learning with us beyond today's tutorial, you're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you so much for painting with us. We can't wait to see what you create next.